Dumating na sa Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates si United States Secretary Mark Rubio upang makipag-usap sa mga opisyal ng Gulf nations. Hindi saklaw ng pagbisita ang US-Iran peace deal, ngunit ayon sa ulat, isa sa tatalakayin ay ang seguridad sa Gulf region at ang pagpapanatiling bukas sa Strait of Hormuz para sa global shipping. Ayon kay Rubio, imposibleng makamit ang ganap na kapayapaan sa Middle East lalo na kung magpapatuloy ang panggugulo ng mga proxy ng Iran, ang Hezbollah sa Lebanon at ang Hamas sa Gaza.
When you talk about, for example, a complete end of hostilities in the entire region, well, that's not possible. You can't have the end of hostilities and conflicts in the region as long as Iranian proxies are launching missiles and drones from Iraq and are participating in terrorism like Hamas did and like Hezbollah did.
Kaugnay ng Lebanon, sinabi ni Rubio na hindi kasama ang Lebanese government sa usapan dahil hindi ito bahagi ng giyera kundi ang Hezbollah lamang.
Now, there's an Iranian issue with regards to Lebanon, and that is their support and sponsorship of Hezbollah. And so that factor will be discussed as part of our conversations with the Iranians.
Paliwanag ni Rubio, mayroong sariling soberanya ang Lebanon bilang isang bansa at ito ang dapat magdesisyon sa sarili niyang pamamahala. Gagawin aniya ng Amerika ang pagtulong sa Lebanon hiwalay sa pakikipag-usap sa Iran.
It's separate because Lebanon is a sovereign country. It has a government. And when it comes to Lebanon, what's happening inside of Lebanon, we're going to negotiate and deal directly with the Lebanese government. The future of Lebanon belongs to the Lebanese people through their sovereign elected government.
Samantala, naniniwala naman ang US official na may pag-asang makabangon ng Iran at maging progresibo bilang malaking bansa. Ito ay kung magdedesisyon ng tama ang mga nangunguna dito dahil maraming oportunidad na pwedeng makuha kung pipiliin lang nilang makipagdiplomasya at hindi ang pag-ayon sa mga terorista.
If Iran makes a decision, if its leadership makes a decision that they want to be a country instead of a revolutionary movement that exports terror, they're going to have an opportunity to do incredible things in Iran. And those opportunities could include investment, as you've seen other countries in this region benefit from investment, from foreign direct investment.
Bradley Robuza, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.